I founded EZRA Architects in 2005, so we are about 9 years old, and we've been using ArchiCAD for maybe 8 years, since version 10. We are multidisciplinary company. We do work from master planning to architecture, landscape, interior design. The reason why we do wide scope of project is because we believe in integration. The building has to talk to the environment, the interior has to talk to the environment, and everything we want it to be integrated. And ArchiCAD actually provides us with that platform. Not only is the entire design process integrated from the modeling to the documentation, especially the teamwork that ArchiCAD has. This allows us to have integration within the design team itself, especially in projects in China where it is big in size. It allows everyone, every team member within a team to have a very good idea of what's exactly happening to every part of the project. To talk about integration, I need to get a bit philosophical because for one, I believe in the creator. I believe that this whole entire universe is created by a person, or God if you like, alien if you like. Take the human body for example. All the organs and our senses, how everything is integrated into the human body. Very specifically designed, I would say. We are a company of about 30 people in strength. Everybody who joins our office, they have to learn ArchiCAD first. It takes maybe 1-2 days just looking at the videos. The actual learning actually comes when, hands-on on projects itself. It was chosen because, well, personally, I'm a very three-dimensional person. When I was in school, I model things myself. To be able to see three-dimensional model within a computer is something that I think a physical model can't give you. We are Mac users. ArchiCAD is one of the very rare, fewer softwares that actually works on a Mac. And of course, we did some research on the other softwares. Well, Revit wasn't around at that time. Things that I was considering was Vectorworks and this MicroStation. But in the end, ArchiCAD was chosen, and it was also at a time whereby our Building Construction Authority in Singapore, they are giving support for us to purchase the software. So these are the few reasons that why we chose ArchiCAD in the end. And well, no regrets at all. The China project that you were talking about, it's in Yunnan, in China. The site area is very big, 200,000 square meters. It's mixed use, basically two parts. One part is residential, the other part is what we call International Art Town, so which has various types of buildings ranging from concert halls to inns where artists will actually stay for weeks, to hotel, to art galleries, and even a church. That project is very challenging. We believe that the BIM model that we have created is probably one of the biggest BIM model we can find to date. This site is actually on a very mountainous site, so we need to actually model the entire terrain, and we need to figure out how the road actually moves on this mountain in accordance to the local regulations. And every building actually has is sitting on different heights on the mountain. We have a team of 7, and of course we have to work with other consultants. The issue is because there are so many building types and it's so big, and how the model and the documentation actually synchronize, so that there's no mistake and all that when we hand the drawings over to the local design institutes in China. I can't think of any other software that can do something like this. The government is pushing it very hard. I guess they understand that in the future that's the way to go in doing things. But the thing is that there are a lot of practices in Singapore, especially engineers, who are still not so much in tune to BIM. That's because I think everyone is too used to the old way of doing things. I think it has to start first with everyone having an open mind and change of a mindset. Then we can talk about open BIM, open collaboration with the different parties, the different people, engineers, architects, the clients, contractors. And I think in the future, hopefully sooner the better, that everyone starts to recognize this.